Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the traction control module, also known as Stabilitrak on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about hidden fuse boxes, and people will start wasting money on parts tools diagnostics that you don't need to. So stay with us, we'll talk what the fix could be. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for the traction control module, also known as Stabilitrak, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on that GMC Terrain. Most owners, 9 out of 10 owners, do not know there are hidden fuse boxes guys in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Let's go ahead and open the hood now, and facing the engine on the right side here, you see that's the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip, here you have a clip as well. Release them, leave the cover up, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here specifically what we need to check, let's go ahead and talk about that now. There will be 3 main components. First, we're going to start, okay, you may or may not have all of them depending on your model and generation, but you may have fuse number 3 right here. Okay, if you don't have it, it's okay, but you need to check fuse number 13 right there, and fuse number 16. Those are the main fuses that you will guys need to check. Now, you don't have a relay. The relay function is controlled practically by the engine computer and ABS traction control module right here known as Stabilitrak. Okay, that's a computer. You can see it right here. If you have problems with that system guys, okay, we have a video why Stabilitrak light is on or why ABS brake light is on that will teach you what you need to check, common problems that we see here at the garage and how to fix them as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.